In the heart of a vast manufacturing hall, the process begins with large rolls of fiberglass laminate sheets and stacks of shiny, pure copper foils kept in rooms with carefully controlled humidity. Robotic arms, moving with measured precision, lift the copper sheets and align them perfectly onto fiberglass cores. Every movement here is, well, calculated and exact. Next, these layered sheets are guided into giant hydraulic lamination presses. As steel plates close in slowly, digital screens display the rising pressure and temperature. Under these intense conditions, the copper bonds permanently to the fiberglass core. When the press finally opens, what emerges are smooth, copper-clad boards, flawless, flat, and ready for the next step. The copper-clad panels now move on to CNC cutting machines. Diamond blades slice through the panels with incredible precision, producing clean, green-free boards that are stacked perfectly. There's no vibration, no dust, everything is tightly controlled. At this stage, the panels are now ready for circuit creation. The boards then enter a chemical coating line, where a liquid photoresist flows evenly across the copper surface. Rollers spread this thin, perfect layer, and the boards take on a slightly glossy appearance under bright, clean lighting. This layer is, what will define every future circuit path. The coated panels now glide into ultraviolet exposure machines. Here, digital circuit patterns are projected with incredible precision, and powerful ultraviolet light fixes the design onto each board. In this step, the invisible blueprint becomes chemically locked in place, ensuring every detail is preserved. It's pretty amazing how the micro-scale circuit lines are formed with such accuracy. Next, the boards move through chemical developing tanks. As the process unfolds, unwanted copper dissolves away, leaving behind only thin, sharp copper traces. Green liquid flows continuously, washing over the surfaces. Honestly, this is the moment when the phone's electronic pathways are truly born. Now comes probably the most recognizable step. Liquid green solder mask is coated across the entire panel, and specialized machines spread it evenly. After that, ultraviolet curing chambers harden the surface. The panels emerge with that classic deep green printed circuit board barrage, smooth, vibrant, and ready for the next stage. At this stage, robotic printers carefully add white component labels along with tiny symbols and alignment marks. Next up, gold plating machines get to work coating the connection points, and you can see those shiny contact pads forming perfectly. By now, the green panels really look unmistakably like phone circuit boards. High-speed CNC drills now begin their work. If you look closely, you'll notice thousands of microscopic holes being drilled into each panel, with the drill bits spinning so fast they're honestly faster than the eye can see. These machines create clean, burr-free holes that are ready for electronic connections, and just to keep things tidy, vacuum systems remove debris instantly. As the panels enter the AI inspection tunnels, cameras carefully scan every copper line, every solder pad, and every hole. Screens display magnified images of the circuits, checking for even the tiniest flaw. Panels that pass are approved and move forward, while any that don't make the cut are recycled. Large green panels are now separated into individual phone PCB units. You can almost picture the laser or precision cutting tools at work, creating smooth edges. Then comes the final cleaning with deionized water. At this stage, the boards look absolutely pristine and ready. The finished phone green panels are stacked neatly vacuum sealed and packed into anti-static containers. When you step back and look, there are thousands of identical green panels, all ready to become smartphones. From raw copper sheets to perfect green phone panels, the transformation is remarkable, a true testament to science, chemistry, and precision engineering.